Assalamualaikum learners, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am Tahira from FW Model School. This is my third lecture for class 6 subject math topic natural number. First of all, we discuss numbers. A number is a mathematical tool which is used in counting individual quantities, calculating and quantifying. In general, decimal number system is used which consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. A binary number is made up of only zeros and ones. Examples of a decimal number is 7 and examples of binary number is 1001. Various operations performed on numbers. Addition: it is a process of finding out single number or fraction equal to two or more quantities taken together. For example, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next, we discuss subtraction. It is a process of finding out the quantity left when a smaller quantity is reduced from a larger one. Subtraction: it is a process of finding out the quantity left when a smaller quantity is reduced from a larger one. For example, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next, we discuss multiplication. It signifies repeated addition. If a number has to be repeatedly added, then that number is multiplicand. The number of multiplicand considered of addition is multiplier. The sum of the repetition is the product. For example, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Next, we discuss division. It is a reversal of multiplication. In this, we find how often a given number called divisor is contained in another number called dividend. The number expressing this is called the quotient, and the excess of the dividend over the product of the divisor and quotient is called remainder. For example, 6 divided by 2 is divided by 3 is equal to 2. Next, we discuss natural numbers. This group of numbers start at 1. It includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 0 is not in this group. This group has no negative numbers. There are no numbers with decimals in this group. Natural numbers are the set of positive integers, that is integers from 0 to infinity excluding fraction and decimal part. Natural number could be seen as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next, we discuss what is 0. 0 is the only whole number which is not a natural number. It is represented by 0. 0 is the only difference between natural and whole numbers. Next, we discuss some properties of 0. 0 added to any number gives the number itself. Hence, 0 is the additive identity for all numbers. Multiplication with 0 multiplied with any number always gives 0. 0 divided by any number except 0 gives 0. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. 0 raised to any power gives 0. 0 to the power of is not defined. Natural numbers can further be subdivided into different types. Number 1, even and odd numbers. Number 2, prime numbers. Number 3, relatively prime or co-prime numbers. 4, composite number, and number 5, perfect numbers. First of all, we discussed even numbers. An even number is any number that can be divided by 2. For example, 12 can be divided by 2, so 12 is even number. We saw in divisibility rules that a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Therefore, any number whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is an even number. Other examples of even numbers. Here we have some examples of even numbers. Odd numbers. Next, we discuss odd numbers. An odd number is any number that cannot be divided by 2. For example, 25 cannot be divided by 2. So 25 is odd number. We saw in divisibility rules that a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 4, 6 or 8. Therefore, any number whose last digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is an odd number. Here we have some examples of odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Basic operations with even and odd numbers. Addition rule: even plus even. If we add an even number to another even number, we always get an even number. For example, 4 is an even number, plus 2 is also an even number. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 is also an even number. Even plus odd is always equal to odd. If we add an even number to another odd number, we get an odd number. 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Odd plus odd is always equal to even. Here we have two odd numbers, 13 plus 13. This sum is equal to 26. So when we can add two odd numbers, when we add two odd numbers, we get an even numbers. Basic operation with even and odd numbers. Multiplication. Here are some rules for multiplication. Even multiplied by even is always equal to even. For example, 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Even multiplied by odd is always equal to even. For example, 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. Odd multiplied by odd is equal to odd. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Next, we discuss prime number. A prime number can be divided evenly only by 1 or itself, and it must be a whole number greater than 1. For example, if we list the factors of 28, we have 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. That's 6 factors. If we list the factors of 29, we only have 1 and 29. That's 2 factors. So we say that 29 is a prime number but 28 is not. Next, we discuss prime numbers. Some facts of prime numbers. The only even prime number is 2. All other even numbers can be divided by 2. If the sum of a number's digit is a multiple of 3, that number can be divided by 3. No prime number greater than 5 ends in a 5. Any number greater than 5 that ends in a 5 can be divided by 5. 0 and 1 are not considered prime numbers. Except for 0 and 1, a number is either a prime number or a composite number. A composite number is defined as any number greater than 1 that is not prime. Here we have some prime numbers less than 100. Next, we discuss co-prime number, a set of numbers which do not have any other common factor. A set of numbers which do not have any other common factor other than 1 are called co-prime or relatively prime numbers. This means those numbers whose LCF is 1. For example, 8 and 9 have no other common factor other than 1, so they are co-prime number. Here we have some examples of co-prime numbers. For example, 21 and 22. If we find out the factors of 21 and 22. The factor of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Here 21 and 22 have only one common factor, that is 1. Hence their LCF is 1 and are co-prime number. Here we have another example of co-prime number. Properties of co-prime numbers. 1 is co-prime with every number. Every prime number is co-prime to each other. As every prime number have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, the only common factor of two prime numbers will be 1. For example, 2 and 3 are two prime numbers. Factors of 2 are 1, 2 and factors of 3 are 1, 3. The only common factor is 1 and hence is co-prime. Any two successive numbers, integers, are always co-prime. Take any consecutive numbers such as 2, 3 or 3, 4 or 5, 6 and so on. They have 1 as their LCF. The sum of any two co-prime numbers are always co-prime with their product. 2 and 3 are co-prime and have 5 as their sum. 2 plus 3 and 6 as the product. 2 multiplied by 3. Hence 5 and 6 are co-prime to each other. Next, we discuss composite number. Examples of composite number. 4 is a composite because 2 is a factor. A is a composite number because it has 4 and 2 as factors. 9 is a composite number because the factors of 9 are 1 multiplied by 9 and 3 multiplied by 3. So these are the composite numbers. Examples of not composite number. Next, we discussed uncomposite numbers. 5 is not a composite number because its only factors are 1 and itself. 5 who are a prime number. 2 is not a composite number because its only factors are 1 and 2 itself. So 2 is a prime number. 2 is also the even number, that is no composite. Every other even number is indeed a composite number. 7 is not a composite number because its only factors are 1 and 7 itself. So it is a prime number. Next, we discuss perfect numbers. What is a perfect number? A perfect number is a whole number and integers greater than 0, and when you add up all the factors less than that number, you get that even number. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. If we add these numbers, this sum is 28. The factors of 496 are here. We have some factors of 496. If we add these factors, we get this number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.